Hey, what's up everybody on YouTube? Thanks for coming back and checking out the channel. Today I'm here with my lovely wife, Sabrina.
Hello.
And she's just gonna kind of have fun with us. She doesn't really know too much about sneakers, so as we open up this box, she's gonna have like a guesstimated price, and we're just gonna see what she thinks about the shoes, and maybe that's what normal people who aren't into sneakers thinks about them. So we'll go ahead and jump into the box right after this. I just wanted to remind you guys that we are still doing the giveaway for the month of July. We are still doing a $300 sneaker giveaway. So make sure to go ahead and enter that. And the way you enter it is to go ahead and visit this YouTube video. The link is right up here. If you don't click it and you want to watch to the end of the video, cool, it's going to be down in the description box. And it tells you everything that you need to do. You can enter on YouTube and you can get an additional entry on Instagram. So go ahead and follow me and hopefully you'll win. So today's box comes from Drone Kicks again. So this is a $750 box, and let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All right, so here's a little sneak peek into the box before we even really look into it. All right, anything good? Well, let's find out. So the first shoe, there's a couple shoes without boxes, but here's the first shoe. Now, what are your thoughts? What shoe do you think this is? What Jordan number?
Oh, number?
Yeah.
5? 11?
11, yeah, it's a Jordan 11.
11 was my first guess,
Mm-hmm.
but then I got nervous.
So what, how much do you think these are worth?
I don't know, like 180?
Okay, that's not too bad. The first shoe we got out is a Jordan 11 in the 7210 colorway, and these are pretty used, some pretty heavy on the yellowing and a little bit of heel drag on there, and then there's some slight scuffs on the patent leather and also some creasing, but yeah, they're kind of used. They're a size 11, so it's kind of my size, but I don't know. No box, size 11. We're gonna have her guesstimated price right here, and then at the very end, that's when we'll kind of go through the realistic price for her and see how far off she was, and also we'll see if this box is profitable. So first shoe out of the box is a Jordan 11 7210.
Ooh.
Show it to them. So this is a Air Max 95, and it looks like it's in the Just Do It colorway. I might be wrong, it's just because it says Just Do It.
Just do it. You were the it that I was just doing.
So these are a size
Boy size 6Y.
6Y, or a woman's size 7.5. How much do you think these are going for?
Well, they look really cool, but they also just look like a normal shoe that you see at the stores. So maybe like, I don't know, like $85?
That's a pretty good guess. And something, if you guys don't know, most shoes that don't have the box lid, like it's just ripped right off of here, it's usually from the Nike outlet store. So yeah, nothing super special about these. Another pair without a box, and these, that's not good. You see this wrist?
What is that?
I don't know. That's no bueno. So these are a size 9. These are an Air Max 97. Just this silver colorway. We'll see if this red stuff comes off, but yeah, like you guys can see that there's this red stuff on the top, and it's, I don't know what that is, and everything else is pretty okay, but the traction, it's a little bit used, not too bad, and overall it's just a beater pair of shoes. So these, yeah, like I said, they're a size 9. What do you price these at?
Maybe like, well, they look pretty messed up, so I guess like $40?
Okay,
I don't
yeah,
know.
it's not bad. Oh my gosh, we have another pair of shoes, which I have no idea what these are. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to sell these. Maybe I just don't know my shoes well enough. I have no idea what this is. So all I know is that it is a size 9.5 in women's. Nothing special about these. These are kind of used. I mean, they seem kind of flexible. I'm pretty sure they're comfortable just because of the Nike Zoom, but yeah, they're just a little used and whatever. So I don't know. How much do you think these are?
Like $20.
Yeah, that's what I'd say. So no idea what this just the shoe that was probably thrown in. Another pair of Air Max 95s in a size 3.5Y or a woman's size 5. These also look to be brand new. Also looks like from the outlets. So you just got your typical black, gray, and red. And yeah, I don't know. What do you think about these price wise?
Maybe like $50.
$50? Okay,
Yeah.
it's not bad. Definitely nothing really too crazy. These next two boxes look promising though, so we'll see what's in them. So this is a Jordan 1 Fearless box in a size 10.5. You show them. Nice.
Ooh.
These are the Jordan 1 Mids. I think this is the Clot collaboration. If you didn't know, this is a shoe that all of the stuff on the top, it comes off.
What?
And there's like another layer beneath it that shows you a different color.
Oh.
So for you guys who don't know what these look like when they're all worn and or even just what's underneath, I'll put a picture right here. I mean, what do you think about this shoe? Like just looks wise and
I like the string.
the stitching.
The stitching. How it it's thicker and then it kind of loosens up.
Yeah, anyways, I mean up close you guys can see all the details. There is some yellowing on from like excess glue on my pair.
A little bit on it too.
Yeah, a little bit on the other one too. And I mean everything is like stitched on, the Wings logo, the swoosh, there's that coin right there. And also this one has a wing tag on it. So these are brand new, nothing looks worn. So definitely a good add to the counter. How much do you think these are worth?
I don't know, maybe what, 180? I don't know.
Okay, well, we'll see.
What, is it like 200?
No, we'll see. It's just if they made these in your size, how much would you pay for it?
I wouldn't wear them. Well, it's kind of cool that they like change. So I don't know, maybe $100. I wouldn't really spend that much money on shoes, personally.
There. All right, last shoe out of this box is another size 10.5. You can do it.
Ooh, purple.
All right.
I've seen these before.
Yes, you have. I have a bunch on my Instagram. Speaking of my Instagram, if you want to buy any of these shoes, go ahead and check out my Instagram. It's @TheRealSneakPeek, and over on it, there's a link in my bio that can take you to back to my YouTube channel, over to my eBay store and other social medias that I have. So if you're interested, either you could DM me on Instagram or you can go ahead and check it out on eBay. That's usually where I try and list them first, just so I can kind of have everything posted and ready for sale. So this is the Jordan 1 in the Court Purple colorway. What do you think about these shoes, looks-wise?
They do look like a little worn because there's creasing right here. And then also I could see the bottom, like they're dirty. They're dirty, there you go. But besides that, they're still pretty clean, like the color and everything looks pretty new.
So how much do you think that they're worth now?
Let me think, maybe 200?
200? Yeah, it's not bad. That pretty much does it for today's box. We'll put right here, this was Sabrina's estimations of the prices and how much she thinks that this box is valued at. This is the current market value for each shoe, and this is gonna be our estimated profit margin. Like I said, we spent $750 on this box, and I think it was like an extra 30 or 40 for shipping. Yeah, what did you guys think? Did you guys like this box? Did you guys like Sabrina's guesstimations of the market? And I mean, which one was your favorite shoe?
The white one that comes off later.
Yeah. Yeah, those aren't bad. So
the rest were kind of not very wow.
Yeah, so this is definitely, I mean, the clots are definitely going to be the highest one, probably in this, and we definitely have some decent ones, but we also have some shoes that are honestly probably going to be a little harder to move, so it's kind of like a half and half box. Thank you guys so much. We're on the road to 1,000. We're already at like 800 subscribers, which is still just pretty crazy to me, and just want to say thank you. Over here from us at Sneak Peek, we just want to say thank you, and that we'll catch you guys next time.
Peace.
See ya.